Ryan with Miss.Geek here, and I know I said that I wouldn't do any more videos on the BITX 40 until it was done, but it has reached a state of more completeness that I wanted to share because I'm excited. Uh, so we've got all four bandpass filters from left to right, 40, 20, 15, and 10 meter. We've got all low pass filters from right to left, 40, 20, 15, and 10. And output at 10 meters is about 4 watts. At 15, I forget. I think it's about 7 watts. And on 20, I'm getting about 8 or 9. And on 40, I'm getting about 10. So now this variance in power output doesn't have anything to do with the PA. It has to do everything to do with the amplifiers themselves. The bidirectional amplifiers are known to drop off at higher frequencies. In fact, a few years ago, I did an analysis of that and could prove that it was actually the bidirectional amplifiers that dropped off at higher frequencies. So I knew that would be the case. However, that's the same amount of power as CB radio would get, 4 watts. So that's fine. I'm not upset at all about that. I was actually expecting it to be less. So what's next for this? Well, I've got to put it in an enclosure. And I have decided on an enclosure for it. I'm not going to say what enclosure that is just yet because I've got a bunch of details to work out. But it is not anything so-called normal. And it's not an enclosure I think I've shared on this channel or on my website, miss.geek.com. So what's left to do, really, I've got to prepare this thing. One, I've got to tear it all apart. I've got to build actual cables for the low pass and band pass filter switching because right now it's just a bunch of jumpers that are kind of cobbled together. I've got to clean up the wiring completely. I also need to build a switchboard and switches for the enclosure because although these switches are awesome, they won't reach the top of they won't reach the front panel of the enclosure, not the top, but the front panel. So I'm either going to have to figure out a mechanical way to make that happen, or use actual push button switches. But beyond that, just really got to clean up the cabling and make it pretty. So anyway, thanks for watching. Just a quick little update here. And if you are enjoying these updates and you haven't subscribed, well, by all means, please do. Also, click the like button. That lets me know that you like it, but also lets YouTube know that you like it so they can show it to other people who might like the same things you like. Anyway, so that's a win-win, right? All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. 73.